Data owners are the people who issue deals. They begin by logging into the Ed web interface of the Edwin application. After they are authenticated by the system, data owners are taken to a landing page that lists all deals for which they are either an owner or the designated data provider. The functionality at the top of the landing page allows data owners to search for new deals, create a new deal, or view recent notifications. To create a new deal, data owners must click on the Create New Deal button. Once on the Create New Deal page, they must populate the 8 fields shown here with data. After submitting the information, the data owners are asked to verify that the data entered is correct. If it is not, then they can change the information by selecting the Edit Deal button and resubmitting the data. Once the data is submitted and verified, an ED code is created that uniquely identifies that deal in the system. By clicking on the Return to Deal Listing button, the data owner can go back to the home page and see that the newly created deal is now in the system. Edwin offers flexible search options, allowing users to search using 4 aspects of the deal, including ED code, ISIN deal name, and country of securitized assets. Data owners can also conduct an advanced search using a wider selection of criteria. Of course, only the deals that the data owner has access to will be displayed. After a new deal has been created, the data owner can still edit the deal, but can only make changes to the following 4 fields: the deal name, the country of SPV incorporation, country of primary exchange listing, and data provider. After making the changes, the data owner must click on the Confirm Deal button. Once a new deal is created, Edwin sends a new deal notification to the data owner, as well as the data provider if one has been assigned. Data owners may want to assign their servicer to the deal in Edwin so that they can provide regular performance data uploads. Data owners can assign themselves as data providers when creating deals, as long as they are registered as a data provider in the system. Data owners can view notifications on the notification screen. Data owners can download performance data by clicking on the icon in the Download File column. The first link is used for downloading the file, the second link is used for downloading the signature file, and the third link is used for downloading the public key. If the user wants to verify the authenticity of the deal data file, they must download the digital signature and public key files along with the data file. If data owners want to view the history of a deal, they simply click the icon under the Deal History column. This screen shows the entire data upload history for this particular deal. The ECB Data Quality Score is calculated based on the data quality metrics published by the European Central Bank, available on their website. Now let's see how a data provider uses Edwin. The key role of a data provider is to provide loan-level data about the deal. Therefore, much of the functionality in Edwin available to a data provider is geared towards uploading performance data. After data providers log into Edwin, they will have access to a list of deals for which they have been designated the data provider. First, the data provider logs into the system. To upload loan-level performance data, or LLPD files, the data provider must be assigned to a deal. The data provider can click on a deal either from the home page or select it via search results. To begin the upload process, the data provider must click on the Submit Performance Data tab at the top of the page. If the link is not available, the user has not been assigned as the data provider for the selected deal and will not be able to upload loan-level details. To upload loan-level details, data providers must prepare the data per ECB's template specific to an asset class. They must then generate the XML file as per the ED schema for that asset class, validate the XML data file, and compress it into gzip format. This file must then be signed with the organization's digital key, generating a signature file. Once that is complete, the data provider must go through a 2-step process for uploading the information. The first step is to upload the signature file. The system will verify the signature file and accept it. The second step is to upload the compressed data file. Once Edwin accepts the signature file, the data provider selects the data file for upload. After the upload is complete, the data provider will receive a notification, both on screen and via email, detailing whether the upload was successful or if there was a failure. If there was a failure, the data provider will need to repeat the process. Should a data file fail in Edwin validation, an error file is automatically generated and made available for download to assist the data provider in identifying and correcting the data issues which caused the file validation failure. Data providers have ready access to deal information and can download it directly or by clicking on the icon. They can also click on the deal history icon to see the entire history of the deal and download all data associated with it. The View Deals screen provides additional information such as the most recent pool cutoff date, interest payment date, data quality score and metrics information for the most recent performance data upload. All metrics are explained on the right-hand side of the screen. Rating agencies, funds and investors will use Edwin to assess the quality of a deal. These institutions are considered data users. Data users can log into Edwin to view all deals and download the loan level details. They can also use search functionality to locate specific deals, but they cannot create deals or receive deal notifications. It is important to note that Edwin only accepts XML files. Data providers who have not been able to develop APIs or have only Excel and CSV files can use the Ed Data Conversion utility to convert files to XML and upload directly to Edwin. Ed, enabling transparency in the European ABS market.